3 girls and 1 boy.
I said he updated the new craft out. New stickers. As you can see. And then probably what's most different, you got all the cork stickers, all your dimensional ones, the alphas, but they finally got all the wood. These laser cut icons. Most of them are 3 items per pack. There's the word love. What those look like. And you got smile, inspire, memories, enjoy life. And then over here, got the Eiffel Tower, it's family. That one says life. More stencils. Grateful Plus. We got iron-ons. High five. Let's see. They got the ceramic stickers too, the glass ones. So it just depends on which ones you like or which ones you need. More rub-ons. They already had those before, some of them, but I thought this one was kind of cool. You see that one? That one's the water palette, so you just dip that in water, you can paint that color from it. So tons of rub-ons. You got your regular stickers bling that's been there before. And they got the assorted flowers. Some more dimensional, like they're all the same. The bling. Of course, your planner stickers. Sorry about that. My hand hit it. So they've been having the planner stickers out, but a few more styles. More the dimensional. These are right for zines. And then look at those. Got a texture on them too. Yeah, look at that with the seashells. These are great if you do anything like inchies, which you don't really see these, but this would be really cool for inchies. And I'm gonna get those, I think, 'cause I've never seen those. Got stickers for all different occasions in here. Everything is full, so I really don't want to pull everything out. These stickers, like faux bling. Again, I'm trying not to mess up when people are in here, but just wanted you to kind of see more variety of chipboard stickers, but they're dimensional on top. You can feel it. The dimensional flowers. Look at these back here. Look at that. Gold and silver. And they give again, like I said, these are very textured and dimensional. Even these. Then you got your craft chipboard. And, you know, you can paint these, ink them. These are stickers. But they have multiple styles. There's other ones back here too. I'm not able to pull them all out. I don't want to take a lot of people trying to get to this aisle. But chalkboard stickers. Just lots and lots of different dimensional stickers. They're really cute. Look at that. Just different stuff. So they are really stepping up their game. Check this out. So the color, and the quality. Look at these for planners. Oops. And I just set this out, so I'm trying not to mess things up, folks. But isn't that cute? You know, seen some of these before, I'm sure. Look at that. Look at cork stickers and flowers. Look at these. Again, everything is dimension. Got your baby stickers. A lot of stuff with metallic. Look at that. Super cute stuff. So, they're really stepping up the game, y'all. They're still trying to put everything out. And then, of course, on the other side, oh, look at these. Tons of colors. Try not to hog the place, but look at these alphas. Look at this. This different stuff. I haven't seen it. I don't know if you guys. Dollar Tree already had this. This first time I've seen it. So, look at those. They look like seals on the envelope. Totally new stuff. So, and this, of course, the other side of the craft out that you've seen before. Because we were one of the first ones to get them last year. The new craft out. But anyway, so I just wanted to show you all this one. So this paper crafts, journals, planners, stencils. Look at the toppings at the top with specialty. Laser cuts. So, anyway, so head out to your local Dollar Tree and find all the goodies.